Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. Now this model is a 1LT model, but the reason for this video is because Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers $1,000 in bonus cash, while also giving them the opportunity to choose between 15% off the vehicle or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,000. Now, this vehicle has 18-inch silver painted aluminum rims with a 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder engine. Now, when we get in the car, you can see that it does have black and silver cloth seating. We do have a leather center console with that tan lining. We have a relatively large back seat. Now, when it comes to the front, we have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.